Namaste and welcome to Simply Kaushiki. Today I'll show you how to create elegant DIYs with what you already have at home. Perfect for maximizing space and style, especially in bustling cities like Mumbai where space is so scarce. Let me share how I fell in love with these simple ideas while making our home more functional and yet beautiful.
But I know you're stronger than what you think, and I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up.
Let's start with this petite cake stand. It is so versatile. It comes with this wooden base and a glass cloche. And we will use this differently for different projects and DIYs. And I will start with the wooden base first. Using a double-sided tape. Instead of double-sided tape, you can glue this permanently for a seamless look using E6000. I'll make the first DIY, which is a hurricane candle holder. I have shared this DIY previously as well, but there were so many queries. So I decided to make a dedicated video for all these DIYs. I'm using this glass vase which came with a bouquet, and I will use double-sided tape at the rim of this glass vase. Reason being, the vase is slightly convex from inside. Now stick this and your hurricane candle holder is ready. Now for my next DIY, I'll use the same wooden cake pedestal and I will use a bowl. It has an intricate design on its sides, so I'm finding out where I should stick the double-sided tape. I'll show you how you can turn it into a pedestal bowl using this old glass bowl. These ideas saves space and also look chic. For some reason I was not very happy as the rim was showing from the sides, so I inverted the cake pedestal and then attached it again, and now it looks seamless.
Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time.
For my next DIY, I'll be using this wooden coaster. It has a little rustic look. I have shown you this earlier. I'll use this candle and cover this with a cloche. And just by pairing a wooden coaster, a candle and a cloche, I have transformed this into a very high-end candle. On this same note, I am taking this rustic tray. It is concave from inside and on the other side it is smooth. I'll keep a small bowl and most probably I'll attach this with a double-sided tape and cover it with a cloche. I know there are so many brands selling this type of platters. Can you recall any? Now you can change the platter as per your taste and choice or whatever decor setup you're doing. These wooden bowls are another favorite of mine and I just don't use them for serving food. And I'll show you how I just stacking them, I'll create multiple decor pieces like this wooden pedestal bowl. I styled this in my last video and you might have seen it in multiple videos of mine. Now I'll use this smaller bowl and this fluted marble bowl. Can I take a second and talk about this, because this has been such a good addition to my decor piece. It stays out throughout the year, super solid, and it looks really elegant whatever your decor style be. So I'm again using my favorite double-sided tape and I'll stack this on top of each other. And that's it. You have a beautiful pedestal marble bowl. Have you seen the Instagram obsession with charcuterie board with that doubles as a cake stand? I decided to recreate my own version using a wooden pizza plate, small wooden bowl and a cloche. Flip it and you got an elegant setup for any occasion. If you already have a cake base with a cloche, use that. Next, I'll create a hurricane candle using just this wooden bowl and the same glass vase. I have used this in number of times in my videos. In my last video also, I placed it on my coffee table. In my next DIY, I'm stacking this medium bowl and the smaller bowl together and creating a hurricane candle. This type of candle holder I have seen in West Side Home or in Home Center. I just can't recall exactly, but it is looking really chic. If you're enjoying this video till here, then please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a big thumbs up. This brass candlestick is so versatile and I have used it in many ways, not just with taper candles. Let me show you some ideas using these tea light holders that I have. You can create beautiful and stunning pieces like with this IKEA tea light holder. You can also put a tapered candle inside these. Don't you see the relation or correlation between things that already exist in the market? Just add some hot glue at the base, as I showed you in my Diwali video, where I took the glass from the lantern, added some hot glue around the rim and attached it to the candlestick. It created a beautiful hurricane candle holder. Don't you think so? If you've missed watching my Diwali videos, I have left a link in the description box for you. Using another IKEA candle holder, and you know I am a IKEA hoarder, so this also creates a very stunning look. So even the smallest candle holders can be turned into a very opulent looking ones. Like this one from West Side Home, it's a part of a lotus candle holder that I use often during Diwali time. And this emerald one from IKEA is my favorite, and I'll mix and match with this small brass bowl and create this hurricane candle. This is my favorite, I have to say this. By mixing and matching with brass bowls and plates, you can create stunning combination. Do you have favorite like these? Let me know in the comments. Using a glass bowl, a small brass cutlery and a small brass plate, I created this beautiful IKEA style candle holder. Mix and match and create your own favorite version and style it as you like. I hope you found these ideas as exciting as I did. Comment below on which one was your favorite. And if you have enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you will enjoy my coffee table decorating and dining table decorating ideas. I will leave the video links for you. I'll see you next time. Until then, subscribe, hit the bell icon and keep me motivated to share more tips with you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.